Most people pick the wrong rewards app because they only look at screenshots of payouts online. Here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay and Freecash work very differently, and depending on how you use them, one can easily earn you more than the other in 2026. In this video, you'll learn the real differences between Mistplay and Freecash, which app pays faster, which one is easier for beginners, and the smartest way to maximize earnings without wasting hours. Let's start with Mistplay. Mistplay is built mainly for Android users who want passive-style rewards from mobile gaming. You download games through the app, play them normally, and earn units over time. The biggest advantage is simplicity. Alex downloaded 3 casual games, played during his commute, and redeemed his first gift card without needing to complete difficult tasks. But here's the problem. Mistplay earnings usually slow down after a while. The app rewards early gameplay more heavily, so long sessions often become less profitable. This is where many users get frustrated. Now compare that to Freecash. Freecash works more like a task and offer platform. Instead of just playing casually, you complete specific objectives. For example, reach level 25 in a strategy game, sign up for an app, or finish surveys. The payouts can be much higher, especially for premium gaming offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Freecash usually pays more overall, but only if you complete tasks correctly. John tried a game offer worth over $50, but missed one tracking step during installation and earned nothing. Mistplay is generally safer for beginners because the system is simpler. Another major difference is payout speed. Mistplay rewards build slowly but consistently. Freecash can give larger payouts faster, but offers sometimes take days to verify. If you want smaller but reliable rewards, Mistplay feels easier. If you want bigger payouts and don't mind following instructions carefully, Freecash has more earning potential. In a minute, I'll show you which app is better for different types of users. Before that, here's something many people overlook. Freecash often includes desktop offers and crypto payout options, while Mistplay stays focused mainly on mobile gaming rewards. So which one actually pays more in 2026? For casual users, Mistplay is usually better because it's simple, beginner-friendly, and consistent. But for advanced users willing to complete high-paying offers carefully, Freecash usually wins in total earnings. This is where most people fail. They treat both apps the same way. Mistplay works best for relaxed daily gaming. Freecash works best when you actively chase high-value offers and follow every requirement exactly. So, here's the takeaway. If you want easy and steady rewards, go with Mistplay. If you want higher payouts and are willing to put in more effort, Freecash is likely the better choice. If you've used both apps, comment below with which one paid you more. And subscribe for more reward app comparisons, side hustle guides, and money-making app tips.